Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stew-type noodles from scratch. We will begin by gathering all the essential ingredients for both the noodles and the hearty stew. You will need basic pantry staples like flour and eggs for the dough, along with fresh vegetables such as carrots and potatoes, and your preferred protein like beef or chicken. This first step sets the foundation for a truly comforting and satisfying meal. Next, let's focus on crafting your homemade noodles. Start by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 large eggs and a small pinch of salt. Knead this mixture for approximately 10 minutes until it forms a smooth, pliable dough. Then, roll the dough out to a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Finally, cut your dough into your preferred noodle shapes, ready for the stew. Now, let's build the rich and flavorful stew base. Begin by browning 1 pound of your selected meat, such as beef or lamb, in a large pot or Dutch oven. Once browned, remove the meat and sauté about 2 cups of chopped aromatic vegetables like onions and celery until they soften. Deglaze the pot with 4 cups of savory broth, scraping up any flavorful bits, and add your favorite herbs like bay leaves and thyme. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a perfect finish. Add your freshly made noodles directly to the simmering stew during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Ensure they are fully submerged in the rich broth so they cook evenly until tender. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper as needed. Serve your comforting, homemade stew-type noodles hot and enjoy this delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.